Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do something special. This is my friend Johnny.
Yeah, hello guys, Johnny in the house. Thank you, Bob, for the invitation.
You're welcome. As some of you probably know, John has just helped me with a Gwara Gwara tutorial. So if you are interested in learning this dance move, then click up here in this link. Now, John is not only an amazing dancer and teacher, but he's also starting to do some music. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the links in the description. And go follow him. So today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Kontrol Tik Tok dance that was made by Kiddo. Now, if you don't know who he is, go check out his stuff. I'll post a link in the description below. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Jose, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so as many of you have probably seen this dance, there are many versions out there. John and I, we just made our own. Of course, we have the steps that everyone is doing, yeah? But John, please lead the word.
Yeah, hello guys, let's do this together. So basically you want to start by going down a little bit on your knees here, and we're gonna keep this position during the entire time. So the step is basically so simple. You're gonna step on your right and tap with your left on the half toes, and then switch. Tap on your left, tap on your right with the half toe. So step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Here, so step, tap, tap. Okay?
Alright.
One more time, maybe. Slow.
Yeah.
So, down and plie, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. And it's important that you feel really grounded, and then we can add a little bit of the upper body. So every time I tap right, I stay. When I tap left, I move my shoulders to the right side here.
All right.
Then middle, side, middle, side. It's important to
So
stay
your shoulders
grounded.
are basically doing ha and ha,
Yes.
ha.
So middle, side, middle, side, middle, side, middle, side. But please stay grounded. Don't come up. Stay here so you can go middle, side, middle, side, middle, side, middle, side.
All right, let's just try slow for you guys.
Yes. So again, boom, bend, 7 and slow. Tap, click, tap, click, tap, click, tap, click. Yeah.
Yeah.
So one more time, guys. Bend. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, click, tap, click, tap, click, tap, click. Next move. It's like a variation of a pas de bourrée, where you go back, cross back with your right, up with your left, bring back your left, same place, come back with your right. So one more time, I go back, cross, back, up, down, and back. So it's a free step. 1, 2, 3.
So it's almost like you're leaning and lifting your left. Okay.
Yes. So I'm going back, just lift, back, and bring it. And it goes 1 and 2. So this is 1 and 2.
All right.
Here I'm gonna tap at the same time.
With your right arm?
Yeah, with my right arm I'm gonna tap and up. Yes. Tap and tap. Then we do basically the same to the other side. So going back, cross with your left, up with your right, back with your right, bring back your left again. And remember, I'm still down on my knees. So I go tap and back. Again to the left, so tap and back. Now you just want to put those two moves together. Down and plie. We start with the right, going back, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
All right.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. After this, we go into our Gwara Gwara.
Gwara. Yeah, my favorite.
Yeah, so you're just going out, bring in, bend.
Now guys, if you don't know how to do the Gwara Gwara and you want a detailed tutorial, remember that we have the link in the description for the detailed tutorial. Alright, please.
Yes, we're just gonna do it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3.
No.
And then we're going into sa, just so kind of pose.
Alright, so basically just pose.
Yes.
So we go arms out,
arms out, arm in, yeah. So let's try again from the Gwara Gwara, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, and stop. And you finish with a woo! Yeah, just going out with your knees and going to any side you choose. Exactly.
So freestyle basically.
You can freestyle your ooh.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So
Gwara
Gwara again. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, now we're gonna do a quick recap just to show you before we start practicing. Alright? So John.
Yes, let's go. Click 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Woo!
Yeah. Alright, time to practice.
Yes.
So we're gonna start slow, right?
Slow. So you're ready in your position, very grounded. Alright, let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Woo!
Maybe we should just try same tempo again.
Same tempo,
yeah.
Yes, let's do this. Down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Woo!
Alright, maybe a bit faster.
Let's go faster, full tempo. 5, 6.
Maybe medium tempo.
Medium tempo. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Alright, one last time, full speed.
I think they are ready for the full speed.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and tika, boom, boom, ta, click, woo.
Yeah. Actually, it's just one thing. I think what I do is 1, 3. I actually just don't do the last one. If you feel the same, if you can't make it the last one, then just jump right into this one. Yeah, yes. So basically it's ta,
1 and 2, and 3, and 4,
and ba, da, wow, ba. Okay, so I guess that's it.
Yes, but we can tell them that in the start you can feel free to dance the way you want. Exactly. You want before the song, like many people does in the tutorial, in the TikTok challenge. Huh?
Yeah, I think many people, they do this one, so maybe we should explain this one.
Yeah. This is just a simple side to side. So like many people do, it's just going right, left.
So you basically bend out your knees like this,
yeah.
Right? You go BA.
Yes, every time you collect, boom, bend,
down,
open, boom,
step, down,
open,
step,
yes.
gather, down, step, gather, down. And then the arms go, so right to your left, left to your right. Arm, left, arm, A. And then the arms go out to the side, so when you go down, they follow the knees. A. Yes. A. And you can do a small one, you can do a big one. A. Hey.
Okay. Okay.
Alright guys, like we said, feel free to put your own flavor into it, add whatever moves you want or subtract. You can even just, do this one and do the Gwara Gwara, right, for the whole dance.
Yeah,
alright?
That's true.
So, that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, see ya!